Hey everyone, you're planning a trip to the UK and you want a convenient, modern banking solution. You've heard about Monzo, known for its sleek app and innovative features. But can you, as a non-UK resident, actually open a Monzo account? Hook. Let's find out together. Context. Monzo is a popular digital bank in the UK, offering a range of financial services like current accounts, savings accounts, and budgeting tools. It's known for its user-friendly app, fee-free international spending, and early access to your salary. But can you enjoy these benefits if you're not a UK resident? Research and findings. Official Monzo guidelines. Let's dive into Monzo's official guidelines to see what they say about non-UK residents. Show a screenshot or video clip of the relevant section on Monzo's website. According to their terms and conditions, Monzo primarily caters to UK residents. However, there might be exceptions in certain circumstances. Exceptions and workarounds. Temporary residents. If you're planning a temporary stay in the UK, Monzo might consider opening an account for you. Show a relevant example or quote from Monzo's customer support. Study or work visa. If you have a valid study or work visa, you might be eligible for a Monzo account. Show a relevant example or quote from Monzo's customer support. Family ties. In some cases, if you have family ties in the UK, Monzo might make an exception. Show a relevant example or quote from Monzo's customer support. Alternative options. If you're unable to open a Monzo account, don't worry. There are other excellent digital banking options available for non-UK residents. Let's explore a few. Revolut, a popular global digital bank offering similar features to Monzo. N26, another great option with a focus on simplicity and ease of use. Wise, formerly TransferWise, primarily known for international transfers, but also offers multi-currency accounts and debit cards. Additional considerations. KYC requirements. Regardless of your residency, you'll need to provide proof of identity and address. Currency exchange fees. Be aware of potential currency exchange fees when using your account abroad. Customer support. Ensure the bank's customer support is available in your language or can assist you effectively. Conclusion. While Monzo's primary focus is on UK residents, there might be exceptions in certain cases. If you're a non-UK resident and want to open a Monzo account, it's worth reaching out to their customer support to discuss your specific situation. However, if you're unable to open a Monzo account, there are plenty of other great digital banking options available. Call to action. If you're looking for a convenient and modern banking solution, consider exploring the options mentioned in this video. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or experiences with opening bank accounts as a non-UK resident. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.